Remember how you used to charge your smartphone back then? Yes, with a basic charging cable. And as technology takes giant leaps every single day, we are now in the middle of wireless charging. And to ensure wireless charging to your devices that you use every day, you will need a good charging dock. The market has a plethora of options to choose from, but to make your research a little bit convenient, we are here with a video about the top 5 best charging docks that will surely satisfy you. Starting from number 5. Ensure proper wireless charging to your devices with Letscom 3-in-1 Qi certified wireless charger. This wireless charging stand can simultaneously charge your smartphone, iWatch, and AirPods pretty easily through its 24-watt original charging adapter. Featuring Qi wireless technology and UL certifications that provide your devices with temperature control, over voltage and over current protection, short circuit prevention, foreign object detection, and keeps you and your devices safe. There is an extra storage room on the backside of the charger. Simply wrap the iWatch cables and store them in the storage compartment. The non-slip silicone ring and 4 silicone pads on the underneath of the wireless charging station are designed to anti-skid. Convenient bedside wireless charging station, no sound, the tiny LED indicator will glow blue when charging, which will not disturb your sleep. Introducing the Zense Dual 10-watt aluminum wireless charging pad, a solid Qi and MFI certified charging dock for your devices. This wireless charger has an ultra-thin design that is made out of one-piece high-grade aluminum and is designed to fast charge 2 smartphones and an Apple Watch simultaneously. The charger supports Apple and Samsung Fast Charge, delivering a maximum output of 20 watts to the devices while also supporting triple device charging. The charging pad itself is powered via an included adapter that features ultra-low standby power, giving you a peace of mind. The non-slip finish of the charging dock ensures perfect placement, and the ultra-thin design seamlessly fits in any home or office. It is an ideal wireless charger for home if you have multiple wirelessly rechargeable devices or to share with your loved ones, so get one for yourself right away. Meet the Nomad base station, which was designed to be premium personalized charging experience for Apple Watch, iPhone, and AirPods owners. The base station integrates a sleek, modern design with a functional wireless charging hub. With 3 high-power charging coils and a built-in Apple Watch charger, it creates a frictionless charging experience. There are also 2 out ports, which are one USB-A and one USB-C PD with an 18-watt output capacity for charging the dock. The Nomad base station can charge up to 5 devices at the same time, and it has got ambient light sensor dims LEDs at night. The base station charging dock provides a central charging station for all your devices. Power them however and whenever you need completely wirelessly. Forget hunting down multiple chargers ever again and get the powered 3-in-1 dock from Logitech, a beautifully crafted charger for your devices. This wireless charging pad has been fine-tuned and delivers 7.5 watts of reliable power to your iPhone 8 and above, which are wireless charging supported AirPods or AirPods Pro and Apple Watch at the same time. So now you'll be able to spend less time charging and more time doing. This charging dock also supports other Qi-enabled devices from Google, LG, and more with up to 10 watt of wireless charging, including a 9-watt fast charging for Qi-enabled Samsung phones. This Logitech charging dock fits perfectly on nightstands, so now you can go to bed every night with peace of mind and wake up to a fully charged iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. There's a charging indicator light which is designed not to shine too brightly and disturb your sleep, but will let you know that it's charging. Its stand form factor will let you watch movies, look up recipes, and even use FaceTime without any hassle, which makes it a great addition to your life. Stop getting worried and fumbling about charging your devices while at work and get yourself introduced with the 3-in-1 wireless charging pad from Morphe. Featuring Qi technology, the wireless charging stand charges your iPhone, AirPods with the wireless charging case and your Apple Watch as well pretty conveniently. Its fast wireless charging capability safely delivers up to 7.5 watt of power to your iPhone, and it does that even though iPhone cases up to 3 mm thick. Just simply place your devices in their place on the pad and the charging begins immediately. The Apple Watch charging connector on this charging pad holds the watch at the ideal angle to take advantage of nightstand mode. Its dedicated AirPods charging spot ensures charging right after on contact with the pad and doesn't obstruct your watch's screen in nightstand mode. The charging pad's smooth, glass finish looks sleek and pretty awesome on any tabletop. So if you want to ensure power to your devices through the best wireless charging pad, which also talks about ergonomics, then the Morphe 3-in-1 wireless charging pad is probably the best option to choose. So that sums up our video for today. If you like this video, then hit the like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to this channel if you want to see more videos from us and press the bell icon to get notified for our next video.